In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app. Now select or create a chat and use this plus at the bottom left corner to hit camera and tap on Take Photo in the pop-up. Now take a pic. And to discard it, use this X on the left. To add it, check mark on the right. If you want to add a photo from your device, click on Image instead. Tap on your photo here and select Done at the top right corner. If you can't find it here, select Image. Tap on Photos at the top left corner. Select one of your apps, in my case this one. Click on a photo you wish to add. And confirm your choice thanks to this checkmark at the top right corner. Then select Done one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!